Hello traders, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing your favorite stock request session. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam kung bakit natin ito ginagawa on public viewing, it is just because I want for you to have an insight or an idea kung ano-ano ba ang mga stocks na pwede nating bantayan or i-watch list for next week, or it is due for them to buy na ba, or should we hold it for a little longer time, or should we sell already and take our profit, or worst comes to worst, should we take your losses already na ba? So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed yet in our YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you would not miss any episode that I make for you para maging updated sa latest market happening. So first off, we want to start on the index, no? So as you can see, yung index natin is having a sideways movement at nahihirapang i-breach yung 6,000 level. Why is that? It is just because currently nasa GCQ pa rin tayo and there's no possible catalyst na pwede mag-push upward sa index natin. So, of course, kapag ganun ang nangyayari, the investors or the market sentiment will always be very cautious. So, mga stocks na pwede nating bantayan ngayon is yung mga piling-piling stocks lang na talagang may play. So, if our economy dito sa bansa natin, hindi pa tayo nagkakaroon ng MGCQ, more likely wala pang possible catalyst na magkakaroon ng progress dito sa ating index. So, let's get started na sa mga individual stock request ninyo. So, first off, kay Carlos, no, MRC daw. So, we want to see and observe MRC as this point in time. Nagkaroon siya ng movement yung last Thursday, right? 21%. And nung Friday, nagkaroon siya ng 15.5%. Ang gusto nating makita dito is that meron siyang ugaling pump and dump, no? Especially at the end of the day. So, the risk is very high kapag ngayon ka palang bibili or next week, no? So, more prone ito for retracement. Kaya, medyo ingat ka kapag gusto mong pumasok. Kasi, yung risk nito medyo baka hindi na acceptable. And, pagka hindi ka nakakuha doon sa right proper entry, pwede dito yung proper entry point mo, 26.8, 'di ba? Pero kung dito ka pa lang hahabol, medyo off na yung timing mo at more likely baka bumagsak na ito. So the risk is greater than the reward for me, and I'm not comfortable to trade MRC, but of course it is up to you kung medyo skilled ka or medyo may alam kang ibang entry criteria or technique for you to trade the stock. So, next things kay Florentino, no, now at dito, no, parehas na telco. So, as you can see, kung makikita niyo yung progress ng stock na to, nagkakaroon ng consolidation or nagkakaroon ng sideways movement. So, medyo kung ako sa inyo is aantayin ko muna, papakiramdaman ko muna to. Kasi it is much better for those stock na itong dalawang stock, pati CC, na mag-undergo ng proper consolidation before we will have a new good entry point. So, kasi nakapag-take profit ka na kung nasakyan mo somewhere here or doon sa iba. Kunwari kay dito at 3.6 pesos per share, medyo dumoble na, mahigit doble na. Kaya tama lang na medyo mag-undergo muna ito ng consolidation. So, let's take a look for dito, no? So, ayan, kung makikita mo si dito nag-bounce back from 5.6 per share, no? And dito sa MA9 as well. Pero of course, dapat to mag-undergo ng proper consolidation para magkaroon tayo ng good entry point. And as you can see, no, nahihirapan siya sa may 6.2 pesos per share na i-break out. So next thing kay Den, no, IDC. Ito si IDC, isa rin tong stock na talagang nagkaroon tayo ng entry point somewhere here or here doon sa mga students natin. And of course, it is already a selling time na. So, more likely, baka kung hindi to nag-hold itong closing the gap here, more likely, pwede niyang i-challenge itong 2.15 pesos per share na previous resistance niya. And let's see if this will act as a support. So, next thing is MAC, no? So, with MAC, ayan, medyo stay on the sidelines pa rin yung recommendation ko dito kasi medyo sideways pa rin. And of course, airport yung main line of business neto at nakikita ko wala pa naman masyadong catalyst. So, I would like to suggest na medyo avoid muna netong si Mac kasi medyo wala pang galaw. So, next thing is VLL. Of course, ito si VLL, alam ko, pine-prevent siya nitong MA100. And right now, medyo nagko-consolidate at wala pang progress. So, if I were you, medyo I would like to stay on the sidelines or maghahanap ako ng better stock na may magandang opportunity in terms of risk-reward. So, next thing is kay Michelle, no? MM tsaka Tech. MM naman, as you will observe the chart pattern right now, nagko-consolidate siya above 3 pesos per share. So, ang gusto mong makita dito, whether it will break out strongly dito sa may around 3.27 pesos per share with great volume or mag-hold itong 3 pesos per share. Pwedeng bili ka dito tapos antayin mo kung ma-breakdown ba niya itong 3 pesos per share or mag-hold siya. As long as mag-hold, medyo mag-aantay ka nga lang ng medyo mahaba-habang panahon kasi hindi pa natin alam kung magsasucceed yung tinatawag nilang dark grocery na pinapa-push nila, no, with Food Panda. So, hindi natin pa sigurado yon. And of course, nasasabayan pa to ng iba't ibang play kaya medyo hindi napapansin itong si MM. So, let's proceed with Tech, no? With Tech naman, as you can see, still on a downtrend basis. Ito yung nag-act as support around 5.10 pesos per share at nagkaroon ng bounce dito. But eventually, on the next day, on Friday, medyo binuhusan siya. So, kapag ganito yung galaw, medyo mag-iingat-ingat ka kasi medyo baka hindi ito mag-push through. Again, I want you to act accordingly and also stay on the sidelines dito kay Tech. So, next thing, ABS kay Sir Leo. So, si ABS naman, ang meron dito kung bakit nagkakaroon ng mga medyo ceiling play movement is just because yung muling pagbabalik ni ABS-CBN na medyo kumakalat na, 'di ba? So, alam niyo naman siguro 'yon kaya nagkaroon ng initial play dito tapos alam naman natin na medyo binubuhusan 'yan. Tapos kapag medyo nafo-FOMO ka, of course mapapakat ka nito. Tapos eventually nag-ceiling dito, then nagkaroon ng pump and dump on the last 2 days. So, wala nang masyadong opportunity dito. Pwera na lang kung nabili mo siya dito at more likely, pwede ka na mag-take profit dito. Kasi as you can see, it closed below 15 pesos per share which act as an resistance, 'di ba? So, kung ganito yung magiging price structure, dapat take profit ka na. At the same time, na-close na kasi yung gap. So, yung opportunity, medyo na-exhausted na yung opportunity. At kung kunwari, nakabili ka somewhere here, di ba? So, meron ka ng almost 113% gain in just like 1 week, di ba? So, pwedeng, kunwari, nakabili ka dito, tapos nag-gap up, tapos hindi nag-hold itong like, halimbawa, 12 pesos per share, pwede ka na mag-trim down, di ba? Or mag-take profit. Tapos nag-close down, kunwari ng ganito, or na-breakdown dito, baka dito pa nga lang, mag-take profit ka na, mag-sell on strength ka na, at hindi mo na masakyan itong last 2 or 3 candles. So, that's my take with ABS, no? So, si Martin, MRC, na-discuss na natin. Si John naman, NIKL, no? So, mining stocks tayo ngayon. As you will try to observe nickel, merong resistance somewhere dito sa may 3.45 pesos per share. Then, eventually, on Friday, nag-open ng gap up, pero binuhusan siya ng medyo konti lang, kaya nag-close siya ng red. So, ang gusto natin makita on Monday or on next week, if this 3.45 pesos will hold, no? Or kung wala ka pa neto, baka po pwede ang maging entry point mo is pag upon breakout dito sa may 3.73 pesos per share, provided na merong strong surge of volume. So, next thing is AGI, no? So, with AGI naman, kung makikita mo, nagko-consolidate below 7.05 pesos per share. So, I would like to take a stay on the sideline stance with this stock, no? Medyo hindi ko siya trip, no? Or medyo I'm not comfortable to take in or to take part of the trade. Kaya medyo iba muna ang titingnan kong opportunity kung meron. Alright? So, next thing is C. Ito din, isang stock na talagang lumilipad din for the past few days. As you can see, nag-bounce siya, MA9. And of course, also, katulad nila dito at ninaw itong si C, kailangan to mag-undergo ng consolidation para kahit papano medyo magiging strong yung magiging price action or price movement with C. So, next thing, mining. Lahat daw ng mining, no? Mga LC, NIKL, at FNI kay JF, no? So, let's see with LC. Ayan, si LC, kung makikita mo, medyo nag-breakout siya dito sa may MA50, right? Pero, hindi ganun ka-strong yung pagkaka-breakout niya. You want to observe if pwede niyang i-hit itong around 15.26, no? Something like that, or 15.3. So, kung dito ang entry point mo, meron kang around 6% gain, or hanggang dito, kunwari 16.16, no? Meron kang 11% gain up until here sa may sabihin nating 0.17 giving you at 18% gain. So, yan yung mga gusto mong makita kung talaga may hit niya. If ever, dito ka bibili. And of course, ito yung magiging cut loss point mo just in case, no? So, next thing, FNI. Si FNI medyo pangit yung nagiging price structure. As you can see, nag-gap up pero hindi na sustain at binagsakan ng for 2 days. So, kung ganito yung perception ni FNI, pwede akong mamili kung ano ang mga mining stocks na very strong ang price action. Pwedeng nickel, kunwari, kung maganda ba siya, or sabihin natin, kunwari, si LC, no? So, mamimili na lang tayo kung ano yung mga medyo magaganda ang price action. So, next thing kay Risa, no, APVI. Itong si APVI naman, may move to, di ba? May movement ito. And as you can see, ito yung nag-form as support right here. Medyo hindi mo makikita na ito yung pinaka-right entry point, di ba? Kasi kung makikita mo dito, medyo hindi pa siya oversold. So, ang maganda dito is scalping lang kung kaya mo or not. Kung pwede dito ka mag-buy, no? Kunwari, dito sa may 9.55 pesos per share. Tapos, ang unang target mo, kunwari, MA20 or dito sa may bandang like 10 pesos per share or 11 pesos per share. Tapos, dito na lang sa MA50 kung talaga mahihit. So, ang magiging strategy mo dito, sell on strength. Pero with this point in time, medyo pangit ang price structure at medyo hindi ko nagugustuhan yung ganitong uri ng galaw kasi medyo hindi ko nakakakitaan ang very good na risk-reward ratio. So, next thing with TEL naman kay Sir Jen, no? So, kay TEL naman, medyo walang movement, no? Kahit gumagalaw sila dito, sila C, sila now, di ba? Walang movement si TEL kasi nga, pangit ang market natin, ang economy, so kasama siya sa mga index, so pati siya nadadamay. Right? So, medyo, I think, I would avoid TEL right now kasi medyo hindi ko siya nakikitaan ng magandang entry point. So, next thing, si Ma naman, no? Ma kay Butch. So, as you will try to observe, Ma, medyo hindi rin maganda ang price action kay Ma. So, again, stay on the sidelines. Then, next thing kay Ryan, no? SSI and MRSGI. So, same thing with SSI, stay on the sidelines. Wala akong nakikitang good entry point. Pwera na lang kung meron kang sariling strategy na it will work for you, then well and good. But take this as an advice only. Pero ikaw pa rin yung masusunod on your investment or on your trading perspective. Then next thing is MSRGI. Same thing nandun, sideways. So, stay on the sidelines. Then, next thing, ACEN, no? So, with ACEN naman, alam ko nagko-consolidate to between 3 pesos per share hanggang 3.2 pesos per share. So, with ACEN, alam ko may SRO ito, pero hindi ko pa alam kung magkano. Hindi pa yata nandi-disclose yung price nito at kung ilang shares, no, or ilang percentage ng shares ang pwede mong ESRO. But right now, medyo wala pa ako nakikitang momentum with ACEN. More likely, wait and hold muna ito kung kailan magkakaroon ng magandang entry point, right? So, next thing, MBT. With MBT naman, as this point in time, kung makikita mo, nagpo-progress siya ng pag-angat, pero medyo slow to, medyo mabagal. So, kung ikaw naman medyo investing perspective ka, you want to look for the financials of MBT na medyo hindi natin madidiscuss dito right now kasi medyo mahaba yun at matagal. As this point in time, kung makikita mo, medyo nasa oversold level na ito at more likely baka pwede na magkabentahan yan anytime soon kapag hindi na nasustain itong price na ito. So, next thing with Ryan, no? CHP, yan. Kasi na-discuss na natin yung iba. So, CHP na lang. With CHP naman, as you can see, marami siyang resistances, no? Itong mga resistances niya dito is mga major resistance. Itong resistance at 1.65 na akala mo breakout, tapos bumili ka dito, kunwari, tapos may resistance naman at 1.7 pesos per share, 175. 1.8 something, tapos 1.93. So, ang dami, no? Mga 5, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Kasama to sa baba, 5. So, medyo mapipigilan ka talaga, no? Na magkakaroon to ng breakout kasi napaka daming mga resistances. So, I would like for you to watch out is itong consolidation dito. Kapag medyo magiging maayos yung consolidation, tapos nagkaroon ng breakout dito with the proper and huge volume, more likely, pwede dito yung maging entry point mo ulit. Pero kung dito ka nag-entry point, umangat, tapos bumagsak, tapos medyo nagbigay ka ng leeway, huwag mo na antayin na mag-closing, no, na malulugi ka. Of course, dapat you have to take your losses already. Pero kung ganito yung progress, 'di ba? Ang aantayin mo yung breakout point dito sa may 1.65 pesos per share. Alright? So, si Jerome Tech, na-discuss na natin. Si Ron, no? Si NIKL, na-discuss na natin to. Si Neil, no? RCI. Then, okay, we will try to discuss RCI. So, as you can see, RCI, sideways pa rin. So, my suggestion is stay on the sidelines. Not unless kung meron magiging positive na catalyst with RCI, baka pwede magkaroon ng play. So, next thing, APVI, I guess, na-discuss na natin din si APVI. So, this would be the last stock right now, si RCI. So, I hope marami kayo natutunan sa ating discussion for this day. And I hope you will become very profitable for the next few days to come. So, God bless and good night.